In some advanced factories, skilled workers begin by carefully selecting the whitest and cleanest peanuts, laying them out neatly before processing. These peanuts are often covered with a layer of fine peanut flour, which helps with separation and cleanliness. Once prepared, the peanuts are passed through a series of processing stages. The first step involves removing the outer shells and skins, often by using vibration machines that gently shake the peanuts until the skins fall away. The clean peanut kernels are then collected into large plastic containers. The next step involves crushing the peanuts into a fine powder. In some traditional setups, workers may still use manual or semi-automated stone grinders to achieve the perfect texture. Following this, the powdered peanuts are roasted at specific temperatures to release their oils. This roasting stage is crucial, as it enhances flavor and maximizes oil yield. After roasting, the peanut mixture is pressed using hydraulic or screw press machines, extracting the golden peanut oil. The oil passes through multiple filtration stages to remove any impurities or sediment. Some peanut oils undergo cold pressing and retain a natural aroma, while others may be refined and deodorized for cooking purposes. Finally, the clear, filtered oil is poured into glass bottles, sealed and labeled, ready for distribution to supermarkets and households across the country. And that's how the peanuts you see on the farm become the delicious golden peanut oil used in kitchens around the world.